हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं इंडिया की टॉप आईटी जॉब्स के बारे में। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर रोल, जो कि बेंगलोर लोकेशन के लिए हायरिंग कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, आप ये पूरा जेडी पढ़ सकते हैं। यहाँ पे व्हाट आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड व्हाट आर द क्वालिफिकेशन दे आर लुकिंग एट द कैंडिडेट। ओके, यदि आप इसमें फिट बैठते हैं तो आप अप्लाई पर क्लिक करके एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं। मैंने सारी डायरेक्ट अप्लाई लिंक वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दी है, और इस वीडियो में मैंने 40 प्लस जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को कवर किया है। प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें। थैंक यू सो मच। Then coming to the next one, which is the Hitachi is hiring for the intern. Okay, job location will be the Bangalore, Karnataka. You can see the basic job description over here. What are the qualification and what are the responsibilities they are looking in the candidate. If you are fitting that, just click on the apply now button for applying this opportunity. Then coming to the next one, which is the Cognizant is hiring for the developer. You can see these are the basic uh, jobs opportunity they are hiring for. That if you are interested of any of this, click on the particular job and you will be redirected to the application form. Then coming to the next one, which is the Amazon is hiring for the support engineer one. Okay, at the Amazon page, you can click on the apply now button for applying this opportunity. Okay, job location will be the Bangalore to Karnataka. And coming to the next one, which is the product engineer one. Okay, you can see this basic responsibilities and requirement for the candidate. Okay, if you are fitting that, click on the apply now button for applying this opportunity. Then coming to the next one, which is the Caterpillar is hiring for the engineering of associate engineer. Job location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay, if you are interested for opportunity, click on the apply now button over here. Then coming to the next one, which is the junior software engineer developer for the Mumbai location. Okay, you can see this is the full-time role. Okay, and these are the basic requirements they are looking in the candidate. If you are fitting that, click on the apply button for applying this opportunity. Then coming to the next one, which is the